This conference will now be recorded.
So, like, show me the structures 11, 12, 13. One by one, click on 11, click on AS11.
1 minute, sir. It is
Yeah, I can understand.
okay.
You can click on
It is
AS11.
visible.
Yeah, I'm able to hear. I'm able to view your system clearly. AS11, click on AS11. So, what are the structures you are adding?
AS11, AS12, and AS13, sir.
Yeah, click on now, scroll down a little bit. Okay, here uh, it is activating, it is showing activating.
Yes, sir.
So, whether you have enabled that server, uh, docs, like I mean to say, batch job, you have not enabled. Click on start, click on start, not that one. Start very first. Okay.
This one, sir.
Yeah, anything is fine. Services, SCR. If you type SCR, that is fine. In your system, SCR. Yeah, wait. Yeah, the first one, services.msc. Yeah, that one. Go to inside. Make M. Type M. Select anyone and type M. In your keyboard, select M. Okay. So Microsoft Dynamics, it is running inside operation. Uh, both are running fine. Close. Okay. Why it is activating?
Yesterday it is activated, sir.
Uh,
Before that, 1 lakh to 6 lakhs as AS11 and
so the main problem is star. So the first one is star is there. Star means any
okay,
number.
okay,
That should not be. So like thinking like any number means star means any number. So you need to remove that star first.
okay, sir.
Got it? Got it?
Okay, sir.
Close this one, this structure, and go to AS12. There also I think you have mapped like star. Is there or not? Verify.
Yes.
Yeah, that is a mistake. Got
Okay,
it?
sir. Got it, sir.
So that is the reason overlapping is coming. So you need to remove that
Yes.
star. That
Okay,
even for
sir.
13 also verify. Same problem.
Okay, sir.
Otherwise, if you want, you can delete now. I will tell you, delete
In
this
this
account
one, sir.
structure. Yeah, delete directly. Delete.
Yesterday I tried also, sir. It is not going.
Yeah, try.
Yes.
So okay, okay, close this one. So go to your company first. Go to your company. The 3 letters is fine. Actually, it is not required the entire name.
Yes, sir.
Okay, it was okay. Go to the ledger form, not this one. Ledger form.
Ledger setup, sir.
Ledger setup. Ledger.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you have edit. You are able to add AS15. Huh? So click on that AS15. Click on that AS15. So here also you have mapped like this. You can click on edit. Okay, scroll down. Remove that one. Okay. Enter like 150. 1 second, 1 second. 150 is not like 5 digits. 150. 11. You have entered 11. I'm telling you 150.
Okay, sir.
Now here 3999. You can map 3. Is it finance only? Yeah. Apply.
Six and six. Six.
Out it. Out it. Apply. Now activate. Activate.
Yes, sir.
So now it is activating. Refresh. It should be active. Okay. Close this one. Close this one. No problem. Now take the duplicate browser. Go to accounting structure.
Shall I open it again, sir?
Yeah, accounting structure. Go to the accounting structure, not this one, not this one. Direct account structure. Now accounting structure 16, 15 it is activating. Still it is
Yes,
not
sir.
complete. So once it is updated, you can change like 16 and 17, whatever the way you want. You can update and you can verify. Okay,
Okay. Sir, it is
fine.
only coming like 1 lakh and 1 lakh to 3 lakhs 99,999, and after that 4 lakhs, 4
No, no,
lakhs
no, no,
to.
no, no. 1 second, 1 second. It is not the rule like you need to follow like 1, 2, 3, 9, 9, 9. It's not like that. You can create n
Okay.
number of structures. You can create n number of structures. Okay, I will make myself
Okay.
presenter. I will explain you. Let me make myself presenter. You can mute yourself.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Okay. So whenever you are creating accounting structures, you can create 100 because the account numbers are 15 like 6 digits from here to 12999, and I can create one more structure 13000 dot dot 16999, another structure 17002 25000, then 25001 dot dot 380001 0. Suppose one I have created. Then here 38002 dot dot 58005. Then 558006 to 63502. Then here 630503 dot dot 999. So all the numbers should be covered. All the numbers should be covered, and there should be any overlap. It should not be any overlap, and there should not be gap. Understood? Like any structures you can create.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay, fine. Everyone understood? Any questions in this one? So the accounting structures, you need to create any number of structures. Otherwise, I will create only one structure simply. That's it. Your wish. Whether you want 10 structures, whether you want 20 structures, whether you want one structure, whether you want 3 structures, you can create your own. There should not be any overlap. First condition, there should not be overlap, and there should not be gaps. Suppose you have entered like this. These are the structures you have mapped. Now, if I am posting any transaction 240100, system will not recognize like the main account does not exist. But in the accounting chart of accounts, it is there. But why it is not recognizing? Why? The structure is in the structure, it was not configured. Got it, everyone?
Yes, sir.
So it is not only for Dharmateja, it is for everyone. Are you able to follow me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So these structures, how many structures you want, you can create, but there should not be overlap and there should not be missing. So that every account in the chart of accounts, it should be mapped to one structure here and it should not be overlap structure. Okay, fine. I hope it is clear. Okay, let me proceed with our yesterday continuation topic. So we have created a bank. Yesterday we have created a bank account, cash and bank management, collapse all. We have created a bank accounts. One bank account we have created, and the type is the check method. If you go to here, check number, method is fixed, we have mapped. We have mapped fixed, and then we have processed. Now I am creating one more bank account. Suppose HDFC Bank. Some account number. Main account I'm mapping. Main account is must, you need to map it. Okay, so this is HDFC Bank. Banshankari. So Banshankari is one of the area in Bangalore. So I stayed in Bangalore, I stayed in Hyderabad both. Okay, Banshankari branch. Suppose I have created. Okay, now go to setup, layout, check layout. So I have mapped free method 272 2 mm position, number of copies, payslips 2 have mapped. So this is free method. If it is free method, then you cannot create check numbers. System will not allow you to create check numbers if the method check layout method is free. If it is method is free. Okay. So now let me create HDFC Bank transaction on payment, vendor payment. So I'm creating accounts payable, collapse all, payments, vendor payment journal. So I'm clicking on new, select the journal name, bank payment, lines, so I'm selecting the bank, so vendor account. Suppose second vendor I'm selecting. So you can enter settle transactions like select, settle transactions. So invoices, if it is generated already, it will show you. If not, I will do payment, partial payment by directly entering amount. Okay, some invoice is already generated. Amount to settle, I'm doing for 200 only. Click OK. I'm doing for 200. I don't know why it was not written. Okay, so now I'm doing method of payment check. Automatically it is coming the bank as Punjab National Bank, but I'm not doing for Punjab National Bank. I'm doing for HDFC Bank. I can do it from HDFC Bank. I'm doing payment. Okay, now I'm clicking on. So check number cannot be entered manually. It is not. It will not allow. It is disabled. Generate payments. So HDFC Bank I'm selecting. Using HDFC Bank I'm doing payment now. Click OK. Look at this one. It is coming 1. So it is coming 1. So the check number it is 87301 is the check number. Okay, click OK. This is 87301. Manually I have entered because the method of like check method is free. I can enter manually free number.
Sir, right now it is rectified, sir.
Okay, good.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. So this company creation process you need to do a number of times. As I told you, at least 20 times if you practice, that will give you confidence to you, like whenever you are facing interview, you will get
Okay,
confidence in application. Yeah. Just give me 1 minute. I'll be back in 1 minute, please. Okay, don't worry on that error message. It is unable to print the path means the like printer setup, the connection like printer path is not able to find, but check number is updated. Check number is updated. Then post. Once it is posted, if you go to the bank accounts, now if you go to the manage payments related information checks, the check number is there. Check number is exist. Okay, Okay, now I'm generating one more check. I'm doing one more payment. Click on new, select vendor payment, go to lines, select the vendor. Any vendor is fine. You can select any vendor, no problem. So click on settle transactions. Select the invoice. Suppose I'm doing only 1000. Click OK. Okay, fine. Now I'm doing once again using HDFC Bank payment. Okay, once again, check number you cannot enter manually. It will not allow you. Generate payments. So HDFC Bank, click OK. Now next number is automatically filled. Look at this one. 87301 earlier it was posted. Now 8703. Suppose 302. Now I'm not using 302. I'm using 305. Yes, I can select. Click OK. So don't worry on this one. It is not an error message. It is a path is not able to find to save this file. No problem. That is not an issue. It is a small SSRS report correction and post. Okay, now if you verify the checks, it will show you two checks. One is 87301 87305. Whereas the hold function, like I mean to say, if it is fixed method, it will be continuous and it will be continuous check numbers. Understood? The difference between free and fixed. We are creating advanced. In advance, we are creating checks and it will be picked one by one automatically. If in case if you paid this one, this will be voided. Okay, so what is the drawback? I will show you. Suppose I'm doing one more vendor payment. Go inside. So I'm selecting the vendor. And I'm doing payment. So for this, I'm doing for 900, suppose. And click OK. Even you can enter here also once it is populated. Now I'm proceeding with the Punjab National Bank. Generate payments. Click OK. Now I want to skip 3. I want to use 4. The check number. Suppose, sorry, let me cancel. So let me generate payments. I need to select HDFC Bank, not HDFC Bank, Punjab National Bank now. So click OK. Then 3 will become automatically because the next number is 3. Okay. So I don't want 3. I want to skip like 4. I want to use 4. I don't want to use 3. You cannot. What you have to do? Number of blank checks. You need to select 1. and you need to click OK. Okay, so don't worry on this unable to path error message. 4 is updated, check number. I'm posting. Now, if you verify, this is became blank, and you cannot use this check at all. Furthermore, you cannot use this check. Understood? Little bit small drawback in the fixed method. Got it? So you cannot use this one. If it is created status, we can use it. Let me delete this checks. Is it possible? Let me try. 68003 68003. So this is, it is not allowing other than created. If it is other than created, it will not allow you to delete. It is not allowing. So only created status, it will allow you to delete. Understood? This is unnecessarily waste of our blank check is going to be wasted. If it is free, you can enter whatever the number you want, but the drawback is, so you need to remember what are the checks. Means otherwise the physical copy whatever you are putting in the printer, you need to enter that check number manually. Understood? Free and fixed methods. Anyone, can anyone please at
Yes,
least?
sir.
Okay,
Yes.
fine.
Yes, sir.
That's good. So suppose these checks are returned. So let me create one more process. One more I want to show you. Suppose ICICI Bank. Let me finish one more bank. Suppose ICICI. ICICI Bank, Chandanagar branch. Chandanagar is in Hyderabad branch. Okay, I'm enabling this checkbox. So it is the message is telling like clearly. Can anyone read? Anyone?
The advanced bank reconciliation allows you to import and
Reconcile bank statements with bank transactions. After it is activated, it cannot be turned off.
So I'm activating. Once it is activated, you cannot turn off. Once it is activated, you cannot turn off. Okay, I'm doing these transactions. Check layout. Free or fixed, it is fine. So I'm making to free only 272 mm, and the starting position 2 mm, and number of copies 2. Free I have mapped. Now for this, I would like to do a one payment now once again. That is, what is this advanced bank reconciliation? Advanced bank reconciliation, I will explain you after some time. You are going to learn. So I'm creating new, select bank, go to lines, settle transactions. select the check, sorry, invoice, select the invoice, suppose 800. Okay, now I'm mapping ICICI Bank payment. So generate payments. So ICICI Bank. Click OK. So free method means it will allow me to enter check number. Something. Click OK. No problem. It will give you a warning message like no problem. The path is unable to print the path, but it is updated check numbers. Click post. So this one I will discuss with you advanced bank reconciliation later. Okay, there is one function I need to explain you bank reconciliation. BRS at that time you will understand. Just I have created one check number. Okay, fine. So just let me give you a clear picture, high level picture. Like, look at this one. 3 banks are there. Okay, if you go to reconcile, if you select ICICI Bank, there is 5 buttons. If you select HDFC Bank, only 3 buttons. If you select Punjab National Bank, it is 3 letters, 3 buttons, only 3 buttons. Whereas ICICI Bank, it is 5 buttons. Okay, I need to discuss with you this one later. I will discuss with you later. Just for future purpose, I have created like this. Now, next topic is suppose the check was returned. The check was returned. Whatever I have issued check, whatever I have received check. Check returns. If it is a customer check, it is deposit slip. Am I right? We learned this one, deposit slip. So now, deposit slip cancellation. These two we need to understand. So I have issued checks for suppose HDFC Bank or Punjab National Bank, anything. If you go to manage payments, checks. Now this check is returned due to insufficient funds or something. Non-sufficient funds, or maybe check like was damaged internally, or due to some reasons it was returned. Now I want to update check returns process. So if I want to do check return process, I can go to cash and bank management. Okay, here payment reversal approvals, check reversals is there. Check reversal is there, but new button is not enabled. New button is not enabled. So the process is, if you want to do check returns, cash and bank management, cash and bank management, payment reversal approvals, payment reversal approvals, check returns. But the problem is it is not available. I mean to say the new button is not enabled. The new button is not enabled. Look at this one. Okay, so if you want the transaction should be displayed here, then I need to go to cash and bank management. Cash and bank management parameters. The setups I'm showing you. Setups. I'm sorry. Here you need to checkboxes should be enabled. These two checkboxes. Use review process for payment reversal. Use review process for deposit slip payment cancellation. These checkboxes should be enabled. So for this, to get these transactions here, you need to go to cash and bank management parameters, general tab, okay. So use review process for payment reversals. Checkbox should be selected. In the same manner, one more checkbox downside. Cash and bank management parameters, general tab, use review process for deposit slip payment cancellation. These two checkboxes should be enabled. Okay, and allow check reuse function is available for USA only. Means if you, in case if you cancel that check, you can use once again. That will allow only for USA. Only for USA. If you go to any other company, it will not be there. That you need to remember. Cancel check can be used. Cancel check can be used in USA, but remaining countries it will not allow you. Fine. So this is the first step. So now if it is enabled, now if you want the data should be populated here, you need to go to checks and you need to click on payment reversal. Select the check, click on payment reversal, and you need to select reason code. Reasons are not there, and you need to select journal name. Both should be created because this is a new company, it will not be there. You need to do it. Okay, so the next step is journal name should be created. Journal name should be created. So journal name, where it is available? Journal name should be created. So let me create journal name. Let me take duplicate. General ledger. Collapse all. Journal setup. Journal names. Click on new journal name. So vendor check return. So the journal type should be bank check reversal. The type is bank check reversal. Okay, right click, view details. Click on new, vendor check reversal. Company APL, vendor check reversal. So as I told you, my best practice is 6 digits. Your wish, how you want, continuous. My best practice is always 6 digits. So I have created VCR, vendor check reversal. So journal name got created. Now if you go to reversals, so now it will show you the journal name. Okay, journal name coming. Now reason code I need. So I need to create reason codes. Okay, so reason codes where I have to create cash and bank management setup, bank reasons. I'm creating, suppose check damaged. Because check is damaged, it is not allowing, but it is not showing here. Look at this one. I have entered bank reasons, but reason code is not coming. So if you want bank reasons, you need to go to accounts payable module also, setup, vendor reasons, and you need to select here also, click on edit, you need to select this checkbox. Means in both modules, this checkbox should be selected. This will be enabled. So the reasons here, one is bank reasons, another one is vendor reasons. Getting my point? This is in cash and bank management, setup, bank reasons, in the same manner for vendor reasons also should be enabled. Understood? Now it will show you from the drop down. Give me a minute. Otherwise, let me cancel. And let me once again, let me select payment reversal. Now it will show you the reasons. 1 second, why it is not coming? Vendor reasons, fine. And then cash and bank management, bank reasons, entered. ఏం కావాలి? Huh? Just give me a minute, please. file. Okay, give me a minute. Let me refresh the screen. Let me select payment reversal. Now it is coming. Refresh issue. Okay, now check reversal, like journal name we have selected, region code we have selected. Understood the prerequisites? Journal name we have created, and then regions codes we need to create in both, like one is bank and another one is vendor. I mean to say accounts payable module. Both you need to map it. Then this check returns will be fall into. So if you do, like you are selecting this one and you are clicking OK. So next step is bank account, select check, and then click on payment reversal. Select reason and journal name. Then automatically this will be created. Look at this one. If you go back now, once it is pending cancellation, this is pending cancellation. Now if you go to cash and bank management, payment reversal approvals, check reversals, one line got created without new button. It was created. If you go to lines, you can verify is everything is correct or not. Suppose by mistake this is not the correct one, by mistakenly I did it, like payment reversal cancellation. Now if you want, you can delete. If you delete this one, what happens? The pending cancellation will become paid. This is not the check return, this is the check return. By mistakenly I did it. Instead of this one, instead of second one, I have selected by mistake this one. Now I am selecting second one, I am doing payment reversal. Understood? Before posting, you have option to select the reversal. Click OK. Now it is pending cancellation. Now you can go to check reversals, it will be there. Now you have verified everything is correct. Yes, it was reversed because of damage, check damage, it was reversed, and this is the check number. Everything is correct, bank and everything is correct. Now everything is fine. Now I'm posting. If you go to checks, refresh, now it will be cancelled. Understood check reversal process? Any doubt in this? So you need to do this one in the new company. You need to do this one in the new company. This is your task now. So whatever you have learned from 1.5 months, it is different scenario. Now it is almost 2 months. From 2 months you are learning. Okay, we have started this training session. I hope it is in the month of Jan 15th. Jan 17th I have started. So 1 week, 2 weeks, next 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8th week we are 8th week also completed. 9th week we are in 9th week. Okay, 2 months is completed. So it is your turn. You need to practice with the system and come back to me with errors. Otherwise, if you are keep silent, no use. Frankly, I'm speaking. Okay, it is your turn. You need to practice more and come back to me. So this, in the new company, you need to do all these things like purchase order creation, sales order creation, vendor payment, customer payment, and now check returns also you need to do it in the new company, in your own company. Sample data. Okay, this a sample project. It is a kind of sample project you are doing now. Okay, best of luck and please practice. And if you are facing errors, then you are growing. If you are not facing errors also, if you are resolving yourself, I am very happy. But if whatever the errors you are facing, please let me know, or please ping in the WhatsApp group. It will be helpful to everyone. What is the errors you are getting? What is the solution we are getting? We can understand. Okay, fine. We'll connect once again tomorrow morning, 7 a.m. IST. See you all. Bye-bye.